Hello everybody. I'm going to explain to you something very important around the app builder. The actions that you take, mostly you need to be in preview mode to take them. So in design mode, I can see that there are two actions here. You see, because of the purple flash icon, okay? So every time you see the flash icon, that means there is an action, okay? Now if you click on it, it will take us directly to the action, and then you can change it or delete it or whatever you want, okay? And so this one is for the cancel action for the form. It says go back. It will also close the model. And this one is for submitting the form. What does it say? Add new row. That's the action. Okay, everything is mapped out properly. But when I click on it, nothing happens. So why? Because you are in design mode. You need to be in preview mode to take actions. So there's another way to do it. If you right click, it says take action. This is how you can simulate taking action even if you're not in preview mode. So let's give it a try. Well, I didn't put anything to happen. I didn't put any action after add new rows. So let's see what happens on the data. I'm going to see users. Okay, you can see it added this person. No problem. Okay, but the right thing to do is after this action, and we're probably going to make it by default, you put an alert saying something like user added, something like thank you. Here you can be even more specific, user added, user, and you can say form data full name. You can put it here, maybe add a space. Okay, and I'm going to add another action to close the dialog. All right, so now let's try it again. Again, I will either have to switch to preview to use this button, or I can do it like this, take action. So let's see what happens. User added, thank you. What didn't work, it didn't put the name here, so that's something I need to look at. I hope that clears things up around taking action when you're in design mode or preview mode. Thank you.